Oh, the Christmas holiday, a joyous time of celebration, of giving and receiving. Giving, receiving, giving, receiving. So many gifts, so many billions of dollars spent. Hours of shopping, wrapping, mailing, returning. We're exhausted by it all. We're left wondering, is this all there is to Christmas? Is this surplus of gifts really what it's all about? Those of us at Christian Mission Aid dare you to make a radical shift in the way you give this Christmas season, and re-gift, but not in the way you might think. You see, re-gifting is usually associated with receiving something you don't want or don't need, and giving it to someone else as if it's a new gift. But what if re-gifting was instead a way to respond to the greatest gift of all, the gift of Jesus Christ, God's only Son? Born in a dirty stable, Jesus left his throne in heaven and became poor so that we might have richness through him. Because Jesus came to earth, we can live life abundantly. And if you think about it, most of us really do have a lot of abundance in our lives. How should we respond to God's greatest gift, Jesus? 2 Corinthians 8:9-15 puts it this way: by God's grace, Jesus left his riches and became poor so we could be rich. And we are called to use our abundance to meet other people's needs. What if you can make a difference in the life of someone you will probably never meet, but who is truly in great need? Someone who's hungry, homeless, sick, or struggling. Would you do it? Could you re-gift your abundant blessings to change the lives of others? Instead of just giving sweaters to those with full closets, blankets to those with warm homes, candles, gift baskets, socks, and fruitcakes, we urge you to donate a portion of your finances to re-gift your abundance to those who are truly poor and needy in Kenya, Uganda, and South Sudan. Re-gift to change people's lives and provide a better future to people in East Africa. Re-gift to pass on the love of Jesus. Re-gift and respond to God's greatest gift. To find out more or to make your donation, visit www.cmaid.org/regift. That is www.cmaid.org/regift.